The best protein, according to the National Library of Medicine for chronic kidney disease, is going to be soy protein. We're talking about soybeans, edamame beans, tofu, tempeh. Then they take soy and they make chicken nuggets out of it. They make hot dogs. They make veggie burgers. Now, why would I say soy protein is the best for chronic kidney disease? Just about every organization that deals with diseases will recommend soy protein for most of them. So the American Heart Association recommends it. People with heart disease, cholesterol. But when you look at the National Library of Medicine, there isn't any one food that has the more and most amount of overwhelming research that shows that it's the most beneficial. So when they look at soy protein, there is easily 50 to 100 studies from people down to test tube to rats that show it's beneficial for kidney disease and a variety of types: diabetic nephropathy, many autoimmune diseases, PKD, and it's studies from all over the world, all different organizations, not just one. And this has been going on, these studies, for decades. Some of them date back to the 90s. So if you're gonna have some protein in your diet and you have chronic kidney disease, the best one you can have is soy proteins. So look to have some of those in your diet. Variety of ways you can make them, cook them. Soy protein tends to be something you can order out and you can get it done just steamed if you're going to a Chinese restaurant. So I used to have a lot more soy products in my diet years ago, but I've been restricting because I cut down on protein overall. But when I did, soy protein was something that I would enjoy. I didn't particularly like it. I wish pizza was on these lists of foods. I wish that was, always showing up as something good, but it's not. So when I did private proteins, it would be that soy protein. So thanks for watching, everybody. Check out our other videos into your best kidney health.